been trying a new skincare device lately and I really wanted to share it with you. This is called the NouvelleSkin Facial Toning Device by JMOON. As a mom of 2 kids and also being in my mid-30s, my skin has seen a lot of changes and it's been pretty rough lately. My first wrinkles showed up around my eyes, and I've also got pretty deep smile lines right here. And to be honest, I smile a lot with my kiddos, but I also don't mind getting a little help keeping things lifted. That's why I started using this device from JMOON. It's an all-in-one anti-aging tool that combines red light, near-infrared light, and microcurrent. So instead of needing multiple gadgets, I just get it all in one. What I love is how customizable it is. The red and NRI light give full face treatment with 5 intensity levels. And the lift, SL, and I modes use microcurrent to target everything from overall firmness to smile lines and those tricky eye contours. It is small, but it works. So as a busy mom, I really appreciate the convenience. I use it for quick lifting, deep puffing, and smoothing as part of my self-care routine. It's basically a pocket-sized glow boost that I can use at home or on the go. I'm going to do a quick demo of the 4 modes. So step 1 to using the facial toning device is to wash and clean your face. I also like to make sure that hair doesn't get in the way by wearing a headband. Then go ahead and grab the JMOON Conductive Gel. You're going to want to apply an even layer on your face. Now let's turn on the device. We're going to press that power mode button, and after you hold it for 2 seconds, it's going to power on. As you can see, you've got the modes on the sides here. There's the SLI lift and stamp mode, and if you do a short press, that will get you to the mode that you want. So here, I'm going to do a short press, and right now it's selected the stamp mode. I'll demo this one first. For stamp mode, you're just going to press it to one area of your face and hold it for 6 seconds. Once you hear the beep from your device, it's time to move on to the next spot. There it is, so I'm going to now shift it. And so forth. Let's try the lift mode next. Reapply a little gel if it has dried off. Now let's try the eye treatment. As you can see, only the top part is illuminated. The illuminated area is the only part that will work for the eye treatment. Now let's use the SL treatment. For this one, I start at my smile lines by my nose, right here, and move out towards the side of my cheek. Same on the other side, start at the smile line. That's that for the 4 modes on this facial toning device. This probably sounds crazy to you, but I feel like my skin is always a little tighter after each use. As you can see, it is really easy to use and quite quick. It also has a calming and soothing effect on your skin. If you want to check it out, be sure to take a look at the link in the description box. I've got a little coupon there for you as well, so don't miss out. Thanks so much for watching my review.